Even now, AI art generators have developed faster than we can imagine. They can generate unique realistic art, fantasy art, interior designs, beautiful patterns, realistic photographs, and whatever we ask for. But there's a one thing generative AI is messed up with: the fingers. When it comes to human fingers, the AI art generators are weak. You must have wondered, why AI can generate such complex art beautifully? Why can't it generate these little fingers properly? Let's see why. AI art is typically created by feeding a text prompt to an AI art generator. The prompt is a short phrase that describes what the desired output should look like. To understand a wide range of prompts, an AI program needs to be trained on a large dataset of images. This includes hundreds of millions of images on the internet and their text descriptions. Training models rub all tags, captions, titles, and text description from images on the internet. After we give it a prompt, the AI will use what it has learned from its training to generate new images or paintings. It is important to note that the generated image is not simply a copy of one of the training images. Instead, it combines the patterns it learned with its own creativity to create a unique work of art. No matter how many images were used to train the AI doesn't truly understand what a hand is. Because in two-dimensional images, hands can appear in dozens of different positions. Waving, flexing, holding an object, or poking out of a pants pocket, partly hidden from view. Humans understand that these visual differences demonstrate how a hand functions. Without access to the three-dimensional world, AI only knows how a hand appears. So AI struggles with hands and fingers. They create hands with dozens of fingers, hands with two thumbs, and hands with more hands. The fingers have either too many joints or none at all. They look like diagrams in a medical textbooks from an alien world. AI art generators can figure out that hands have fingers. Still, it's more difficult to train it to know that there should be only 5, or that there are more or less fixed lengths in relation to one another. Another reason is that hands are a small part of the human body. In real photographs of people, hands are not usually the focus. Additionally, hands are very complex and have a lot of different parts that can move in different ways. It's the body part with the most joints in a small area. Consequently, a single hand can have dozens of different positions and representation. This makes it difficult for AI to identify and track hands accurately. Generative AIs often have difficulty generating realistic teeth and ears as they do with hands. AI-generated teeth are frequently small, crowded, and even pointed, while ears are often depicted without lobes. This is because hands, teeth, and ears are all small and highly variable features of the human body. Another issue is data scarcity. AIs have not yet been trained on enough data to focus on hands specifically. The algorithms generally understand that there are typically more if one finger is present. However, it needs more detail to truly understand each finger's joints, behavior, location, and the hand's overall function. To improve the realism of AI-generated images, it is crucial to provide the AI with a large dataset of images that includes various human features. This will help the AI to learn the range of various possible for each feature and generate more realistic images. And definitely in the near future, AI will fix that finger problem because they are learning and growing even now as we are talking. And if you want to learn and grow your knowledge about AI, hit the subscribe button because many exciting videos will be coming out on this channel in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.